Today was another refreshing time, another great day. Many times before we go to church, we actually pray that God will send us our own specific word, that answer to our question, that solution to our problem in life. And it's interesting that that answer you're looking for can actually come at any time and at any time during the course of the church service and during the course of the various ministrations. It could come literally in the opening prayer. It can come during the choir ministration. It can come during the offering. It could come even during the little announcements. It's possible. It can come. So the key is to just remain sensitive. My word came today during the course of a small meeting we had towards the ending of the first service. I discovered that we all have a part to play in God's master plan. Just like the body has different parts and each part has its unique function, each and every one of us has a unique function to play in the body of Christ. And I would like to use the church for example. If one part is not doing their part or functioning to the best of their ability, the whole organization will suffer. For example, if the hospitality who greet people who are meant to be coming into church are aggressive, those people may literally turn back and enter their cars and go home. It's possible. That means the ushers has nobody really to usher to their seat. At the same time, the pastor will not be able to, function. He will be able to function, but at the end of the day, he's preaching to less people than he would have potentially been able to preach to. And it's like a domino effect. At any point in time that any part doesn't do their function, there's chaos. Oh yes, hospitality can gladly greet people to come in. But if the ushers are not organized, people are everywhere and it's a bit, scattered. Or for example, if the pastor maybe says something that was wrong, he can literally scare off members. So you can see how it all works. Or if the choir is, the song is not really, they're not really in the spirit, they can throw things off. You see, we're all one piece. If any part is not really doing their part, everyone can be harmed, and as a result, the whole organization suffers. Just like if your toe is hurting you, at the end of the day, you can't say because your toe is hurting you, the rest of your body is fine. If your toe is hurting you, the rest of your body is in pain. You're like, you can't really sleep because your toe is hurting you. So my point is this: we all have a major part to play in the body of Christ. Even in this world, we are all representing each other. If one of us somewhere, maybe in Italy, is doing something that does not reflect God, your behavior is gonna spread across all Christians. They'll say, "Oh, this is how Christians behave. This is how they behave." Yes, it's true. It's just like a marketing department of a company. If the marketing department do a lousy job, it reflects on the whole company. If the customer service is bad, it reflects on the whole company. So I just want us to take this responsibility. We all are representing the body of Christ. We are all one body with different parts. Let's all function to the best of our ability. We all need each other. No part is different. No part is extra special. We're different. Not better than another part, but we're just different. So I want us to walk with this mentality and operate with this mentality that if I do my part well and he does his part well, we'll ultimately function well. But it's our responsibility to do our part well. And please don't look down on any part. Whether you are a frontline singer, you're the face of the company, or you are the cleaner, we all need each other. So I want us to take this approach even in our businesses, in our companies, even in our workplaces, even in our daily lives, in our families. We all have parts to play. And if we all do our parts well, we all move forward together. God bless you. And I hope this word has been an inspiration to your life and you apply it. And as you do so, your organization will function well. God bless you.